If you're looking for some fall sneaker ideas, I got you with this video. In today's haul, we're going to cover about 5 to 6 sneakers that you can buy right now at the mall like I did. I actually went to the mall the other day, went to Nike, picked up 2 pairs. We got a bunch of stuff. So a lot of this stuff is still sitting for retail. If you guys want to cop any of it, I'll leave links in the description down below. With that said, we also are doing sneaker reviews on my other sneaker channel, SneakerTalk 365, where we cover even more stuff outside of this channel. So if you want more dedicated sneaker reviews, make sure you guys check out my other channel, SneakerTalk 365. But with that said, let's get to a sneaker right here, which will be reviewed on the channel very soon, or the other channel, in this Jordan box. All the stuff is sitting. Some of it is really surprising, and some of it isn't surprising, but it's a good shoe, so I still want to recommend it to you guys. So with that said, very first pair of the day is not actually in my size. I'm probably going to have to sell these for retail or somewhere in my Instagram DMs or something like that. Black gold Jordan box right here. Let's pop open this lid, show you guys what is inside, and here we go. We have the Air Jordan 1 Low Light Smoke Gray Gym Red. Take a look at these sneakers. This is a pair of ones that definitely scream inspired by the high top Air Jordan version. The light smoke, which is really, really nice. This low top version, they executed perfectly in my opinion. I'm not sure where I'll be reviewing these, but this is just my quick first impression of the shoe. The light smoke gray Gym Red. You have a full suede upper when it comes to all this gray accents. You have hits of red, and then one thing that's really nice is on the tongue right there, or on the laces, you got a little lace log tag, so I'll get some zoom in action. You guys can see it's a really nice blingy touch. I like the fact that they went for a white thing here instead of making it a different color, and just the hits of red on it, really, really nice accent. This is definitely a sneaker I could see flex and just do really well in the holiday season. The only downside to this is suede, so if you do live in a snowy or a rainy climate, it will get messed up real quick in the winter. But if you're in a drier area, say maybe like Texas or something like that, then definitely some holiday vibes. I just really like this. This is a really good look. It comes with extra white laces with red aglets on it. Look at that. Not something you see very often. Usually when it comes to Jordan 1 lows, they don't give you any extra laces. So this is definitely a premium Air Jordan 1 to look out for. And yeah, size 9.5. So they might not have too many of these left wherever you shop. So if you guys want to cop them quick before the resellers do, because for retail, this is a fantastic Air Jordan 1 low. With that said, let's get to the next shoe. Next up, let's cover a pair of sneakers that Champ Sports sent me. And this is probably still one of the best sneakers you can buy, especially for more athletic purposes. Maybe you have gym class or something like that, or you're looking for a workout shoe. A lot of people run and use these sneakers. So we have the Air Max 270 in this white and this white and black colorway. Just a simple classic black and white colorway. If you guys didn't know, Champ Sports actually just launched their Canadian website this past week. I'll leave them linked down below. Click that link to check it out to see what they have available. This makes sense that they sent over one of these Air Max 270s. This is easily one of the most popular best-selling sneakers that Nike has created. It has this sort of like athleisure look to it. Got that famous air bubble. Very, very comfortable to wear. And yeah, it still has some practical use for athletic stuff like working out or running in the gym. Now, it's not a heavy-duty kind of sneaker like that. This is one of those hybrid shoes which you can get away with doing pretty much everything. It's a good daily beater, that's for sure. Now, I have heard some people have issues after a year of wearing these where like tears and stuff like that. That's just gonna come naturally. However, if you think it's really, really bad and it wasn't from just typical use, because you maybe think there was like a manufacturer flaw, Nike's return policy for their warranty is absolutely amazing. If your bubble pops in the first year and it's not because you shoved a nail into it, they will give you a brand new pair for free, or a replacement model that is suitable for that pair that got messed up. So Air Max 270, that's the first pair from the people over at Champ Sports, so thank you to them. The other pair of shoes that Champ Sports actually sent over is not something I wear very often, and honestly a little bit of a challenge for me to style. And now, I'm not one to wear too much Reebok. I don't have a lot of Reebok sneakers in my collection, but I gotta pay respect where respect is due, and Champ Sports sent over this pair right here, the Question Mid, the Reebok Question Mid. Now, I'm not sure if this is a new colorway or an old colorway. It definitely has OG vibes in my opinion. And this is Allen Iverson's first signature sneaker, of course. So yeah, I have a photo come up on screen right now of how I decided to style these, and I think it turned out okay. You know, it's not a shoe that I would really wear super often. The closest sneaker to this I have in my collection will be something like the Nike Air More Up Tempo. They're massive, they're bulky, they got that retro 90s style, which is just massive. Nice retro, old school kind of flex. So Reebok Question Mid. Again, thanks Champ Sports for sending these over. Link down below to check out the new Champ Sports site in Canada. And I know what you're thinking, what? Champ Sports just now has a retail presence in Canada online? Yes, they are a bit late to the party, but better late than never, which means we have another opportunity to cop heat for retail. Next up, before we get to the other pair of Jordans I picked up from the Nike store, let's get to a pair of Adidas sneakers, which kind of flew under the radar for some people. They're not a pair of Boosts, so we got a pair of Yeezy 500s in this box right here. And it's just like one of those cases where it's the same old shoe that we're used to in a slightly different tone, but it's like new but not new. You know what I mean? It's one of those pairs, similar to how the ones come out in a billion colors, but the Yeezys use different shades more than different colors completely. And these right here are the new Yeezy 500s, and this is like the brown colorway, I believe. The exact name should be on the box. It is the Claw Brown. Anyways, yeah, Yeezy 500 Claw Brown. Pick these up from Adidas for retail, and probably not a pair I intend to keep in my collection. Definitely one of those review and get on to the next release kind of shoe. I did want to scoop these up and show you guys these. It is really pretty much the same quality, and I want to say quality control and stuff compared to the Utility Blacks, another really popular sneaker. And I feel like if you already had the Utility Blacks, this brown colorway might not be for you. But yeah, we got the brown colorway of the Yeezy 500s. I'll probably review these on my second channel. What do you guys think about these? I feel like they didn't need to release this. Like, I feel like this was kind of like an unnecessary release. But hey, if you were wanting a 500 in one of those like neutral earth tone colorways, then this brown colorway just dropped and is ready for retail at a lot of places. And if you want a size 10 for retail, hit your boy up. You just gotta pay for shipping, of course. All right, on to some Puma kicks. Puma sent over one of their best-selling sneakers of all time, I could say, at least in modern time. And this is an RSX, Puma RSX. They actually released a brand new Puma shoe, which is down here, which I'm not going to show in today's video. I'm going to do a dedicated review on this shoe, so look out for that. It'll probably be the next video up on the channel. But they also sent over an extra pair, which I was like, I've already reviewed this pair, but hey, I'll take it, I'll mention it. So yeah, this is the pair right here. This is the Puma RSX Intervention. Bam! This is a brand new colorway that I believe just came out. I'm not sure. It's the Toys. The RSX Toys reinvention. I don't recognize this colorway as being of one of the original Toys colorways that they did, but I gotta say, this is probably like one of the best RSX colorways. You got the Gundam color in all black up right there. Really unique colorway. Definitely a shoe I'll probably wear a bunch. You guys know when it comes to the RSX, I absolutely love this model. It's a really well-crafted model, and actually they have leather on this. They don't usually have leather. Like a lot of leather on RSXs. That's some nice quality leather. Overall, really clean pair. Brand new Puma RSX Toys reinvention. The last pickup of the day, which absolutely surprised me, sitting for retail. When it just came back from Ottawa, I stopped by Scarborough Town Center. Got all my Toronto mans, and this is the shoe I was on the hunt for. And they had them in my size. Now the issue is, how will the quality be on mine? I've seen photos online of other pairs and the glue stains are horrendous. That's why a lot of people aren't buying these, because the quality control just isn't there. But regardless, this is a timeless colorway. So enough chit chat, let's open up this box, show you guys what is inside. And oh my gosh, I haven't been like this excited for like a retro Jordan, like an OG colorway, in a while. They've been releasing so many non-OG colorways, but is this an OG colorway? I believe it was. These are the Taxi 12s right here. I believe they came with a new nickname this time. I think they're called the Royalty 12s, but here we go. Taxi 12s, baby. One of the best colorways of the Air Jordan 12, if not the best colorway of the Air Jordan 12. And let's just take a look around the shoe. Ooh, I do see some glue stains on the shoe. I'll do some close-up action for you guys right now. It's mainly on the golden thing with the Jordan here. It's not horrible, not horrible. I might be able to look past it. The part of the shoe that really gets messed up when it comes to the glue and the quality control, the midsole area by the mudguard, this part usually is just like stained with so much glue stain. So let me take a look at the other one. Let me know what you guys think about these pickups in the comment section down below. What was your favorite pickup? For me, I got to go with the Jordan 12 Taxis. These are absolutely amazing, timeless sneaker. Here's a look at the bottom. I'm gonna take a look for any glue stains. I definitely dodged a bullet. Yeah, a little iffy on the inside right there. I'll zoom it in or something like that. Nothing to really complain about. I'm stoked that we were able to pick these up and pick these up for retail. Are these shoes sitting in your retail stores? Let me know in the comments down below. Same with the Jordan 1 lows. I'm surprised those were sitting too. Subscribe for more videos and I'll have reviews of a bunch of these shoes as soon as I can get them up. Also, if you like Pokemon, I got a Pokemon channel. That'll be linked down below as well in the description. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go make love to these sneakers now.